I've been sitting with this for a long time, trying to find the words for years of change, quiet unraveling and slow rebuilding. This isn't a story with neat chapters. It's messy, it's emotional, it's lived. But it begins 6 years ago. 6 years ago, COVID changed the world. But it also changed me. College was supposed to be fun, but instead I found myself disappearing. Offline, inward, unsure. I started posting less. Not because I didn't care, but because I didn't recognize the person I was becoming. Early 20s are strange. Old enough to feel things deeply, young enough to lose language for them. I was learning about myself through confusion, and man, that confusion was loud. During that time, I drifted from the things that once made me, me. Reading lost its rhythm. Cooking became something I should do instead of something I loved doing. Traveling felt impossible. Even sitting with my own feelings felt scary. I lost pieces of myself in the shuffle. Not all at once, but little by little. To be honest, I didn't even notice at first. Along the way, I lost friends I thought would stay. People I trusted. People I laughed with. People I believed had my back. Honestly, some fell away gently. Others, they just vanished without explanation. And some of the deepest cuts were from those I thought knew me best. People connected to memories that shaped who I was. And honestly, that kind of loss isn't simple. And it isn't a clean goodbye. It's a slow ache, a questioning of worth, a wondering, was I enough? When I finished college, I thought I'd feel relief. Instead, I felt exposed. No roadmap, no guidance, just pressure. Bills, responsibilities, life happening fast. And me trying not to crumble. Then I met someone. Someone who felt like comfort, at first, at least. He was sweet sometimes, affectionate sometimes. But love shouldn't make you doubt your own reality. For almost a year, I questioned myself more than ever. Was I too sensitive, too emotional, too much? But the truth was, I was being manipulated, gaslit, and I'll even say used. And I didn't see it at first because I think at some level I was afraid of losing comfort, afraid of being alone, afraid of facing who I was without him. Then I found out he was cheating, and it hurt, but in a way it also woke me up. For the first time in a long time, I snapped out of it. And I saw clearly I chose myself. And that was the hardest. but the most beautiful decision I've ever made. Healing wasn't neat. There were days I questioned every choice, every memory, every red flag I missed. Sometimes I wondered, was I just blind? Or was I just hopeful? But choosing myself meant confronting things about me I didn't always like. It meant recognizing patterns. It meant acknowledging wounds from childhood, old traumas that whispered voices into my head just when I was most vulnerable. Some people called me selfish. Some said I had changed. But the truth, I was finally becoming who I was always meant to be. After all that, I'm coming back to myself. Back to the things that loved me before I lost my way. Reading, cooking meals that make my soul smile, traveling to places that make me feel alive, sitting with whatever feelings come without fear. I'm rediscovering joy, not just comfort, not just distraction, joy that feels like home. Today, I'm learning to trust God, especially when I don't know the outcome. I'm learning to trust myself, my voice, my intuition, my choices. Anything that doesn't bring me peace, oh my. Anything that steals joy, it doesn't stay. No apologies, no guilt, just gentle distance. 6 years did not break me. They refined me. They stretched me. They taught me who I am and who I refuse to become again. I'm not ashamed of the girl I was. She was surviving. But I'm grateful for the woman I'm becoming because she chooses herself every single day. This is my visual diary, and this is my journey. And if you're listening, and any part of this feels like home to you, you're not alone. And it's okay to come back to yourself. Alright, so yes, if you're wondering, I am back. And yes, you will be seeing more of me. So go ahead, subscribe, get caught up, like this video, leave me a comment, tell me your story, your feelings, anything. Because I'm back. And not just back, I'm back and better. I'm back and ready. I'm back and I need your support. So listen, tell a friend to tell a friend. She's back on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, for listening, and just for being here. I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.